Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw USDT from Binance and convert it to GBP in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will help you navigate the updates in Binance's platform for a smooth transaction. Why does this matter? With crypto prices fluctuating wildly, getting your funds into good old GBP can feel like a breath of fresh air for your wallet. First things first, make sure you have a verified Binance account. You'll need to have some USDT in your spot wallet. If not, buy or transfer it in. Log into your Binance app or website and head over to the Wallet section. Select Spot Wallet and find your USDT balance. Now, to withdraw to GBP, you'll actually need to sell your USDT for GBP first, since direct withdrawals might involve fees or conversions. Step 1. Go to the Trade tab and use the Convert feature to swap your USDT for GBP. Binance has made this easier in 2025 with faster processing. Just enter the amount, review the exchange rate, and confirm. Keep an eye on any transaction fees, they can eat into your profits. Step 2. Once you have GBP in your account, navigate to the Withdraw section. Select GBP as the currency, choose your linked bank account, make sure it's verified, and enter the amount. Double-check everything, including the network, it should be for fiat transfers, and hit Withdraw. Processing times are usually 1 to 2 business days, but verify with your bank. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication for security, and be aware of any minimum withdrawal limits or taxes in your region. If you're in the UK, remember KYC requirements are stricter now. There you have it. You're all set to get your GBP into your bank. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.